and reinforce.
Okay, please notify my mouse will get crappy all of a sudden because of baby brother. And this is my first exposed video, so I do not own any copyright from YTV. Anyways, let's begin. What's up, guys? Today I checked out these really funny videos called Exposed Roasted. They're really funny. It made me laugh out loud so hard. So today, I thought I'd do my own one. So let's shush. Anyways, we're gonna expose and roast Polly and the Zuzus. Now let's get started. And disclaimer, I have no copyright infringement spotted in here. Now, please be to YTV. If you're watching this, please do not copyright this video. Okay, we get it. Your friends are the stupid toys called a Zuzu. Okay, we get that. And I don't care about a crappy mouse.
Oh, shut
up! Sorry.
They can talk, dance and sing. They can do about anything. It's me, always plays it cool. Mr. Squiggles, science rules. Num-nums, let's go. They can do about anything.
Did you recognize that? That's actually, she did that same act from the goddamn Fruity Bars commercial in New Zealand. It's the same difference. God. I don't know why they... Alright, let's continue on. Yes, science does rule. This is what science looks like, and some other things that are around science, like astronomy, geoscience, and other stuff. Okay, one moment. This was supposed to be Polly the Zuzus, but take a look at this. She named herself Frankie. Look at this. Do you recognize the difference? Look at this. Oh my god. Look at the hair. She's similar to Frankie Foster from Foster's Home of Imaginary Friends. And look at this, guys. I'm sorry, but look at her hair. Her hair looks. One second. Her hair looks like goddamn Zero Suit. Goddamn Samus. Are you crazy? How would you like this? What if I called you Polly? How would you like that? I know, right? And I'm stupid goddamn Zero Suit Samus. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if YTV, please do not copyright this video. I worked so hard on it, my mouse is really crappy. So, thank you all for watching. Till next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.